Transform your home with small decor changes. Making a home feel fresh and exciting doesn't always require a huge budget or a major renovation. Sometimes, the smallest changes can have the most significant impact. Whether you're aiming for a more modern look, cozy vibe, or simply want to refresh your space, minor updates can do wonders. In this article, we'll explore how small decor changes can transform your home without breaking the bank. The power of small changes in home decor. Why small updates matter. Sometimes, less really is more. Small updates can completely change the feel of a room. Things like adding new throw pillows, changing out old curtains, or introducing a new wall mirror can make a space feel brand new. These small decor touches don't only elevate the look, but also add functionality, comfort, and personality to your space.